In a powerful display of unity and defiance, thousands took to the streets of Sydney, Adelaide, and other major Australian cities over the weekend. Their message was clear: enough is enough. Prime Minister Anthony Albanese declared violence against women as epidemic in Australia, echoing the sentiments of countless Australians who have had enough of the relentless wave of gendered violence plaguing the nation. Spurred by a disturbing statistics revealing a woman killed every 4 days this year, the rallies were a response to the tragic loss of lives, including the recent mass stabbing in Sydney that claimed the lives of 6 people, 5 of whom were women. The urgency of the situation demanded action, and action they took. Prime Minister Albanese pledged his solidarity, announcing his participation in the rally in the national capital, Canberra. His words resonated across the country as he declared, "Violence against women is an epidemic. We must do better." It was a rallying cry for change, a call to arms in the fight against gendered violence. In Adelaide, Senator Sarah Hanson-Young of the Greens parties echoed the sentiment, calling for a national emergency response to tackle the issue head-on. Her words reflected the frustration felt by women across the nation, tired of being told that little could be done to address the pervasive issue of gender-based violence. Similar protests erupted in state capitals across the country, from Perth to Melbourne, Hobart to Brisbane. The collective voice of the people reverberated through the streets, demanding justice, respect, and an end to the cycle of violence. Gender-based violence is not a new issue in Australia. With a population of 26 million, the nation has grappled with allegations of sexual abuse and misconduct within its highest political offices. But the resilience and determination of the Australian people have never wavered. They continue to stand together, united in their demand for change, refusing to accept the status quo any longer. As the sun sets on another day of protest, the message is clear. The fight against gendered violence is far from over. But with every step taken, every voice raised, and every heart united, the people of Australia move one step closer to a future where all individuals, regardless of gender, can live free from fear and violence.